Hello guys, you use my phone Xiaomi Redmi 9, version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box, device in the black color, okay, in completion, protected back cover, quick guide and key for SIM slot. In completion, only adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Default completion. Device made of plastic. On the back side quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.5-inch display, front camera. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. IPS display, Full HD Plus resolution. MIUI Global 11, Android 10, CPU MediaTek 69T, octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, GPU Mali G52 MC2, resolution and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, this CPU test results and GPU test results. Close this, open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Okay, Antutu score we have, it's good, very good results. And now start the mining game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the maximum graphic level. Resume game. Game load and work perfect. On the maximum graphic level, without lags and glitches, very good gameplay in GTA San Andreas on this device. Okay, close this, and now talk about camera. I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.